Imagine this, it's 2027. You wake up, check the news and boom, India is now the world's third largest economy. Markets are buzzing, businesses are expanding, and investors can't get enough. But hold on, is this real growth or just a temporary high? Are Nirmala Sitharaman's policies fueling India's 3.7 trillion rupees market, or is trouble brewing? Let's break down the facts, stories, and exclusive insights from the Finance Minister herself.
The Budget 2025 session was presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Saturday with an emphasis on accelerating economic progress, enhancing private sector investments, and boosting middle-class spending power. The budget outlines a path for achieving Viksit Bharat, or Developed India.
According to S&P Global, India is set to become the world's third largest economy by the end of this decade itself.
India will be the third largest economy soon.
Is India booming? Let's look at the data. Here's a reality check. India is the fastest growing major economy in the world. India's GDP is expected to grow by 6.5% in 2025, according to the IMF. Compare that to China at 4.6%, the US at 2.3%, and Germany at 1.2%. India is outpacing everyone. In an interview, Nirmala Sitharaman said, "This is India's decade. We're attracting global investors, creating jobs, and strengthening our economy." But why is India booming? Three major reasons. Young workforce. 65% of India's population is under 35. Tech and innovation. India has become the third largest startup ecosystem. As of 2023, India had over 112,718 DPIIT recognized startups spread across 763 districts, making it the third largest startup ecosystem in the world. Global manufacturing shift. Big brands like Apple and Tesla are setting up factories here. Let's talk business. Which industries will thrive and which will struggle? Here's what experts predict. The winners: tech, EVs, and finance. India's IT sector is expected to reach $500 billion by 2030. AI-driven automation will create 12 million new jobs in India by 2026. Nirmala Sitharaman recently spoke about India's AI push, saying, "AI and automation will drive the next wave of economic growth. We're investing in talent and infrastructure to lead this revolution." Electric vehicles. India's EV market is growing at 49% year over year. Companies like Ola Electric, Bajaj, and Mahindra are leading the charge. Ola Electric's market share drops to 18% as TVS, Bajaj lead with 48% combined. Digital payments are booming. UPI transactions crossed $3.2 trillion in 2024. More fintech startups equals to more jobs in banking, investment, and digital finance. The strugglers: real estate and traditional manufacturing. High interest rates are making home loans expensive. Property prices in metro cities have risen by 28% since 2023, reducing demand. Companies relying on old school methods are struggling. India's manufacturing output fell by 2.5% in Q4 2024 due to rising costs and global slowdowns. What should young people do to stay ahead? First, master AI and tech skills. AI, cybersecurity, and cloud computing are the hottest fields. Companies like Google, TCS, and Infosys are hiring AI experts like crazy. Sitharaman recently said, "The government is pushing for AI adoption. Students should focus on digital skills to stay relevant." Where to learn? Google AI courses, NPTEL or government-backed learning platform, or Coursera and Udemy. Second, learn finance and investment. The stock market is booming. If you understand investing, you can build wealth early. Crypto, digital payments, and fintech are shaping the future of money. Best free resources: RBI's Financial Literacy Program or Zerodha Varsity. Third, think global, work remote. India is now the #1 country for remote work opportunities. Learning global business skills equals to higher salaries and more job options. Top remote work sites: Upwork, Turing, and LinkedIn Remote Jobs. So, is India's economy booming, or are we in for a surprise? The positives: India is the world's fastest growing economy. AI, EVs, and fintech are creating millions of jobs. Global giants are investing in India. The concerns: inflation and interest rates could slow growth. Traditional sectors like real estate and old school manufacturing are struggling. Global uncertainties like oil prices and wars could hit India's growth. So, what do you think? Is India headed for an economic boom, or should we be cautious? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends. More real talk on business and finance coming soon. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.